Hey Dreamspace friends, Nikki here. Today's micro lesson is all about writing alt text for your images. Real alt text, not just whatever fills the box. Alt text, short for alternative text, is the description you add to images. It's read by screen readers and shows up if the image doesn't load. Think of it as telling someone what's in the picture and why it matters. Alt text isn't just for search engines. It's about people, those with vision loss, neurodivergence, or anyone who just wants to know what's in your post. It also helps your SEO, but honestly, the people come first. To write good alt text, imagine a friend who can't see your image. What would you want them to know about it? Why did you choose this picture? What's the point? Let's see the difference. Bad alt text just names stuff, such as just the word dog. But what about the dog? Good alt text describes what matters, something like small brown dog curled up under a fleece blanket, looking cozy. That's better, right? But try great alt text. It brings a little story or mood to what you're trying to show. Small brown dog curled up under a fleece blanket, snoring gently during a winter storm. It's almost like you're there. Here's how to do it. Pause and look at the image. Why is it here? Describe it like you would to a friend. A sentence or two is plenty. Skip image of because screen readers already say it. If your image is just decoration, mark it as decorative with quotation marks on either end. Context matters too. If an image links to something, say where. If it's a chart, describe it and what it shows, not just what it looks like. You don't have to be a coding wizard or a poet. Just describe what matters. If you're not sure, try recording yourself talking about the image, then write that down. Trying your best to make sure it is done at all is better than perfection. Adding alt text isn't about being extra. It's about making sure your blog is a place everyone can enjoy. Start with new posts. Update the old as you can and keep telling stories for everyone. Oh, and one last thing before you go. I encourage you to try it out on your own website. Check your last 3 posts and see if your images have helpful alt text. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to share your tips, subscribe for more micro lessons, and come hang out at dreamspacestudio.net. I've got a blog, a podcast, a Discord, and more in a creative and cozy spot just for us ND Spoonies. I'll meet you there.